Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we stop talkback in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to stop guys your talkback setting. So how can you off in your Realme phone? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now time to start video friends. How to stop talkback in our Realme phone. So when how can you stop? So you click on your phone setting and double tap. So once you can see your phone setting guys, so guys you will have to scroll with your two fingers and guys scroll it. System setting guys, tap here and guys double tap. Friends, you can see your accessibility, tap here, double tap friends. So you scroll it, talk back, tap here, double tap. Click on guys this icon, tap here, double tap. Tapping is stop, will stop back stop. So guys tap here and double tap. So as your talkback will stop in your Realme phone, so you can use your phone without any problem as you can check. So sorry friends, I paused the video because of sound. So with the talkback will stop and guys you can operate your phone without any problem. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye friends.